show you how I made this with a second material. It is very simple to do, My slogan is very simple. So come closer and let's do this. So when you grab your material, this second material is a little bit soft because I've been using it for a while. So if you have had one, make sure you squeeze it before you proceed to this stage. So you just twist like this and you cross the twist like this. The division of this material is not equal. One is a bit shorter than the other one. So you place it from the back of your head to the front like this. Please focus your eyes to get it right. So you can see, dip it into that hole at the front and pull excess out. The longer part, stretch it backward and dip it into that hole. Okay, dip everything excess into that hole to cover your middle part. If you like, pull it out. I prefer pull it out like this, so when I want to keep the excess, it won't be bulky to one side. So I'll just roll it sideways and dip it again to the hole, and this is the outcome of the back. So we go to the front, shift it backward like this. The smaller part, stretch it out very well, and take it towards the sideways like this. I just need one side here. I'm going to pin that one side down, so the other one will be stretched up and it will look like a fan. So we're going to see it now. I'm going to stretch up like this and fold it a bit in and use my office pin to tack it to stand. So follow this simple process and achieve this headwrap. Okay, it's gonna save you some costs, trust me. So I'm done pinning down, and here is the final look. So let me show you another way you can rock it. So make sure you adjust your head wrap. Make sure it is necessary. Adjust it, touch it very well until you achieve your desired taste. Okay, so here's the final look. Let's look at what we can do again to make it look more simple. So I just press it down. If it is too high for you, bring a bit down like this, and you need office pin to tack it. Once you are done tacking it down with your office pin, baby, you are good to go, guys. So I'm done here. Like, share.